dimension
One
60
minute.
centimeters into 300 centimeters when the force of sorry, stop presenting.
1 minute. 1 minute. Can you see now?
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Read it.
Force of 4,000 newtons is applied on it.
Okay. Calculate pressure exerted on object. How to denote pressure by which letter? P.
Yes,
P.
P.
So P is
P.
question mark because we have to calculate. On an object of dimension. Dimension means what? Length and breadth, na?
Yes.
So it is 600 centimeter cross
Into 300.
300 centimeter into S. So this is indirectly area given.
Yes, sir.
And force is 4000 Newton.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that area is not in SI unit? SI unit means it
Yes,
should
sir.
be
It is
meter.
not in SI unit. It is there in centimeters.
So how to convert centimeter to meter? Divide by 100.
Yes.
So I
Yes.
know pressure is force upon area. Force is 4000. Area is 600. I divide by 100 to convert into meter. 300. I divide by 100 to convert into meter. This line followed.
Yes, sir.
So
4,000
2 0
into
cancel. This 2 zeros
20
cancel.
answer.
So 4000 upon 80.
18. 18.
80.
18.
2 into 9 is 18. This will be 2000.
Yes.
9 twos are 18. 2 remainder 9 twos are 18. 2 remainder 9 twos are 18. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 will come again. Na?
Yes, sir.
So this is 222.222 Pascal or Newton per meter square. Any doubt or you followed?
Sir,
Huh.
understood. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to write this now.
Right. The solution, yes.
Sir, I finished writing.
Okay. Fourth question. Right. State the characteristics of state the characteristics of state the characteristics of liquid pressure. Important one. Answer.
Okay, sir.
Answer, write down characteristics of liquid pressure are first point. It is exerted on all the sides. Liquid will give pressure on all the sides. Solid will give only on bottom. So it is exerted. That means if this is, I take container filled with liquid. Here also will get pressure. Here also will get pressure. Here also will get pressure. That means because liquid is flowing, it will give pressure on All the
All
sides.
the
All
sides.
sides. Yes,
So it
sir.
is exerted on all the sides of the container. This is sometimes also called as lateral pressure. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. You are told.
I told
And
you.
we were studying about the dams.
Correct, correct.
Yes, sir.
It is exerted on all the side of container. Second, it is same in all directions at same depth. It is same in all direction at same depth. It is exerted on all the side of container. It is same in all direction at same depth.
That means what? What does it is same in all direction mean?
Means if this is container containing liquid, if there is one point, suppose in right, left, down, all sides, height is same from top. So this side also same pressure, this side also same pressure, this
Yes.
side also same pressure. In all direction it is same if height is same. Followed meaning?
Yes, sir.
Say if somebody is swimming on the left side and somebody is swimming on the right side at same height. So both will get same pressure from the top
Okay.
because height is same.
Yes, sir.
Third one, it increases with depth. Who increases with depth? Pressure.
Liquid pressure.
So if I go at the bottom of seabed, I will get pressure due to all the liquid column. If I'm at the top, then I'm having only atmosphere ka pressure. So as I start moving down, I will feel more pressure. That's why I have to wear special type of that suit.
Yes, to balance the pressure.
Yes. Fourth. It depends upon density of liquid. Who is more denser? Solid or liquid?
Solid.
Solid. Salt water is more denser or pure water is more denser?
Salt water. Anything which has impurity will be more denser.
So in the sea there will be more pressure or in river water?
Sea.
Sea water, yes. Fifth. It is independent of size and shape of container. Only depends upon
Sir,
height.
it is independent means it can take any shape of means any shape of the container. If the container is of any shape, it will take it. You are meaning that?
No. This is one container. This is one container. This is suppose another container. I fill the liquid in all the three. All the three. So whatever may be the shape, this is any shape I have drawn. The pressure will remain same if height is same and liquid is same,
Yes.
irrespective of the shape of container. This is the meaning. That means if it is any shape, height will remain constant. So remember, liquid will seek its own level. That means it will be always coming up to same height for same pressure.
Okay, sir.
Written all the 5 points?
Sir, last is remaining. I'm writing that.
This will pakka question asked in the exam.
Yes, I think so. Done, sir.
Next question is state the factor state the factor on which atmospheric pressure depends. Can you tell? Factor on which atmospheric pressure depends?
Sir, I don't know much. I don't understand this question.
What is atmospheric pressure? Actually, it is pressure due to air about me, na?
Yes.
So if I go at hill station, that means I am at higher height. So above me, air level is less.
Okay. Oh, I understood, sir. Means if we go higher, the density of air will decrease. Hence, the pressure will also
Sir, I'm
decrease.
having internet issue.
Yes, yes. I am recording the lecture. I will post today evening. Huh?
Okay, sir.
See, uh, Shalanshu, you are not correct. Density does not decreases. Height decreases. Density of air is almost same in
Sir,
one atmosphere. There are 4 atmosphere layers. One is called troposphere,
Yes.
other is called stratosphere. So this closer layer density is almost same up to 15 kilometers.
Okay.
But as height increases, the air column का height decreasing, तो वजन कम होएगा ना ऊपर. मतलब
Yes.
suppose here I am standing here at the bottom and suppose इधर तक air है, तो ये पूरा वजन देगा ना मुझे. बट मैं खुद
Yes.
टॉप फ्लोर पे चला जाऊं तो वजन कम गिरेगा ना उसका एयर का. So that's why when you are into high rise building and you are at the top floor, at top floor, room will be chilled. Fan का जरूरत नहीं होगा. So
yes.
suppose I am having 100-story tower and I am located at 90 story and my friend is at 10. He may feel hot, I may feel cold because I am above the sea level.
Both is
So
really
pressure
good.
is reducing. So as per chemistry, you will find pressure is proportional to temperature. As pressure decreases, temperature also decreases. That's why it is called hill station, where temperature is cold. People go to enjoy the coldness there. So pressure depends upon what? Altitude. Atmospheric pressure will
Yes.
depend upon what? Altitude.
Altitude.
Right.
Altitude.
The atmospheric pressure depends on altitude.
Yes.
Altitude means height above
Altitude.
the sea.
Yes.
Atmospheric pressure depends
Devendra
on
sir, can you
altitude.
hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Sir, so can you now can you explain the fourth question of the test which I was not able to understand?
You're talking about maths wala?
So that's square field one.
No, you're telling square root wala?
Yes, that in the test, that fourth question.
That I will explain in maths class, na?
Yes.
I will explain, don't worry. Today we are doing physics, no? So today physics we'll
Yes,
see.
yes.
On Thursday, Saturday, whatever doubt you have, I will extend the lecture, don't worry. I'll explain.
Okay, sir.
This you wrote, factors on which atmospheric pressure depends. It depends upon what? Altitude. Next one. State any two application of atmospheric
Sir,
pressure.
only one will write the
Ah,
factors.
it only depends upon one factor.
Okay.
Atmospheric pressure only depends upon one. If it is liquid, then 4 conditions we wrote: height, density, acceleration due to gravity. You can also write one more point: density of air. Because due to wind, if somewhere air density is less, due to moisture content, then pressure may reduce.
Can you form that sentence and then I'll write it? I didn't. I didn't understand just now what you said. Like air is there for density.
How many types of air is there? Two types: dry air and
And wet
moist.
air.
Moist air. It is not called wet air. It is called moist.
Moisture.
So moist air's density is less than dry air. So you can say second point, it depends upon density of air. Oh yeah. First it depends upon altitude, second density of air. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sixth question. State any two applications of atmospheric state any two application of atmospheric pressure. State any two application of atmospheric pressure.
We don't have to explain the application now, or we'll explain also a little bit.
No, you have to just write it.
Sir, can drinking straw be one? Yes.
Yes. First one, write down. Two application of atmospheric pressure are: first, drinking straw
And syringe.
and drinking straw and stopper, right down. Dropper,
Dropper.
ink dropper. Second, you can write syringe.
So that will be suction mechanism or atmospheric pressure.
No, suction mechanism is that rubber, na?
Yes,
Rubber.
that plunger.
So we are not talking about mechanism. Mechanism is suction, but
That
application is
also
of it is
air is
application.
used.
That suction takes place only due to difference in atmospheric pressure. Return to application.
Yes, sir.
Why do we feel atmospheric pressure acting on us? Give reason. Why do we feel atmospheric pressure acting on us? Do you know the answer?
Sir, it acts. We have density.
So the statement is not correct.
No,
The,
statement
the
is correct.
statement should be why do we not feel? Why do
No,
we
no,
not feel?
no. Why we are feeling? Na? State the factor. Why do we feel there is atmospheric pressure? Because air has its weight. So we feel atmospheric pressure due to weight of air. Right down?
Okay, due to the weight of air above, it means above
Yes,
us.
yes, correct. Right. We feel the atmospheric pressure due to weight of air above us. We feel atmospheric pressure due to weight of air above us. फिर अगर पूछा why do we not feel atmospheric pressure acting on it? Because our blood, hello,
Yes, sir.
the pressure of blood balances atmospheric pressure.
Okay.
Therefore, we do not feel the pressure.
Understood, sir.
Yes. See, to feel anything, we should have difference. Na? Suppose I eat every day chapati and roti. Somebody brings pizza someday. Then I feel difference. Kuch alag laya. But daily I'm eating pizza. What difference I will have? So due to difference in pressure, we have the feeling. So when outside, inside balances, we don't feel.
Okay.
State the SI unit of moment of force. Newton meter.
Newton.
Newton
Meter.
nahi, Newton
Newton
meter.
meter. Okay.
Because moment of force is force into distance.
Distance.
This is Newton, this is meter. So SI unit is Newton.
Newton meter.
Yes. Ninth one. A spanner is used to, I had done the last time same sum, I think.
Yes, sir.
Question you are having, directly solution can I write? Or shall I
Yes, huh.
send this on the group?
Sir, question I have to say one. Just a minute.
Wait. You have to see, then I'm writing. Wait, I'm writing. A spanner. I'm writing a question. A spanner is used to undo a nut. A force of 50 Newton is applied to the end of the spanner, which is 250 millimeter away. A spanner is used to undo a nut. A force of 50 Newton is applied to the end of spanner, which is 250 millimeter away from the center of nut. Calculate moment of force when the spanner is horizontal. Same. Spanner is used to undo a nut, means to open a nut. So data or given quantity is force of 50 Newton is applied at the end of spanner whose length is 250 millimeter.
1,02,050. Good. 25.
No. Some mistake you have done. What is the moment of force? M. Moment of force is force into distance. Force is in Newton.
Sir, 12500.
We have to convert this in meter by
Okay.
dividing with 1000. Very important. Huh?
Yes.
You have to convert. Had it been centimeter, I will divide by 100. But because it is millimeter, I divided by 1000. So 110 cancel. This 110 cancel. 5 into 2 is 10. 12.5 Newton.
12.5 Newton meter.
12.5 Newton.
8.5 millimeter.
Just be careful with the units. Next one. Can I clear now?
Just a minute.
10. Calculate the pressure.
So can I ask a question?
Yeah.
What is that sound coming again and again?
Pardon.
Sir, can you go back to that question, that ninth one?
I can't go back. Reason is I'm not writing on different pages. Na? I'm using same screen.
Sir, actually, in that I have a doubt. I think so. 50 into 250 upon 1000. I cut all the zeros, and it was 5 into 25 upon 10. So, okay, I understand. I understand.
So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 5, 2, 7. Followed now? Hello, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You can write it at 12.5 or 12.50. It will be the same.
12.5 Newton meter. What would be same? Hello?
Yes.
12.50 Newton meter.
What will be, what I didn't say, what you're saying?
12.50 Newton meter.
12.5 Newton meter, na?
Yes, the same. That's what I'm saying. 12.50 Newton meter is the same as 12.5 Newton meter.
But 12.5 is same as 12.50.
Yes.
1 minute. Wait. Hello? 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 Calculate the pressure exerted on an object of area 1 millimeter square. Pressure exerted calculate pressure exerted on an object of an area 1 millimeter square when the force of 100 Newton applied on it. Calculate pressure exerted on the object of area 1 millimeter square when the force of 100 Newton is applied on it. See, all conversions you are remembering, na? Newton, meter to millimeter and all.
Yes, sir.
So we want pressure. So P is question mark because we don't. Area is 1 millimeter square and force is 100 Newton. Pressure formula is force upon area. Force is 100, area is 1 millimeter. How to convert millimeter to meter, centimeter first?
100. 10.
Millimeter to
1 upon 10.
millimeter. If I divide by 10, I get centimeter. But to get in meter, I have to divide it by 1000.
1000.
Because it is square, 2 times I have to divide by 1000. Follow?
Okay, sir. Okay.
See
It's
again.
in square, that's why.
Because this is millimeter square. So 1 millimeter means 1 upon 1000. Again 1 millimeter is 1 upon 1000. Followed this part?
Yes, sir.
So now this
Yes, sir.
1000 will go up or not? What is 1 upon 2? Can I write 2?
Yes.
Yes.
1 upon 1 by 1000. Can I write 1000 up?
1000.
This
Yes.
1000 is also up. Now if I count the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can write 10 raised to 8 Newton meter raised to minus 2 or Pascal. Very, very important sum because of unit.
Sir, why it is -2?
Meter square per meter square goes up, what it will be?
Okay. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Because 1000 and 1000 went up. That's why it became -2.
No, no, not because of 1000 became minus 2. Meter square is in denominator. When it goes in numerator, then power becomes negative.
Yes. Done, sir.
Done. Just I am showing you conversion factors
Yes, sir.
so that, see, when meter is smaller or centimeter is smaller?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Just remember like this. Student love Devendra sir. So smaller to larger, divide. Millimeter is smaller. I want to go to meter. So smaller to larger. What I will do? Divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide.
So 1 millimeter to meter I will divide by 1000. Understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is 1 centimeter in meter? 1 upon 10.
1/10.
And 1
10.
millimeter, 1 upon 1000.
1/1000.
1000.
But if it is square, then what you will do? 2 times.
Oh, 1/10
Because
1/10 into
millimeter
10.
square is 1 upon 1 millimeter into 1 millimeter. 1
Yes, sir.
millimeter means 1 upon 1000. Again 1 upon 1000. Or you can write 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3. It's up to you. Whichever you are comfortable. Right now, I think you are comfortable with divisor, not negative one.
Yes, sir.
I'm writing something, you tell me in meter what it will be. 4 millimeter square is how many meters square?
Sir, 1/1/4,000.
0.00.
4 upon 1000.
Okay, 4/1000 into 1000.
2 centimeter square is how many meters square?
2/10 into 10.
2 upon 100 into 100.
Okay, 2/100 into.
Centimeter to meter, we divide by 100, not 10. 1 millimeter is how many centimeter? 1
1
upon,
upon 1000 into 1000.
no, 1 upon only 10.
1/10.
1 upon 10. 2 millimeter square. How to write in centimeter square?
2/10 into 10.
So square means same divisor 2 times. Now follow?
Yes, sir.
Right. Write all this conversion factors. Now next chapter energy wala I am doing.
Sir, I haven't written that.
That you will get. Unless and if I don't start writing, then I will get.
Okay, sir.
If I write something, then it erases that.
Done, sir.
Okay. Define work and state its SI unit. What is work defined as?
Sir, force applied on an object that causes the object to move.
Force applied on the object that causes object to move. Or you can say product of force and displacement is called as work. Say
Okay, product of force and displacement is called as work.
yes. What is work?
Product of force in product
Product
of
of
force
force and
and
displacement
displacement
in the direction of force. That you write. That is
in
best.
the direction of force is called as
Work.
okay, sir.
What is its SI unit? Newton meter.
Newton meter.
Newton meter was unit of one more quantity.
Pressure.
No, turning effect.
Turning effect.
So if they say which other quantity will have same unit, you can say torque. Turning effect is Newton meter only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second question is question 2 from energy part we are doing now. From your sheet only I am explaining. If the work done in pushing an object to 100 meter is 500 joule, then calculate the force applied in pushing object. What is work ka formula? Force into
Force into
displacement.
displacement.
So work done in pushing object by distance of 100 meter, distance we denote by S, is 500 joule. What is force applied? Because work done is W F into S. So 500 is F into 100. Therefore, F will become 500 upon 100. So can I say 5 Newton? Yes, followed.
Yes, sir.
Solve this. Work is force into displacement. What is unit? Newton meter, or we say joule. Newton meter is also called as what? Joule.
Joule.
So SI unit you will say joule, huh, in this case. Completed?
No, sir. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. One second. What is energy? Capacity to do work is called energy.
Okay.
What is SI unit of energy? Joule. Chalo, all of you tell me now. What is energy?
Joule.
Joule?
Joule.
Joule, okay. It is showing your define. First definition, say what is defined energy?
The capacity to do work is known as energy.
SI unit
Joule.
denoted by which letter?
J.
CGS unit? Erg.
Or
Erg. Now next question is very important and very interesting also. Have you heard about kinetic energy?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Energy due to motion is called as what?
Kinetic
Kinetic
energy.
energy.
What is formula of kinetic energy? Half mv square. Say
Half
half
mv square.
Half mv square.
half mv square. And potential energy mgh.
mgh.
हाँ चलो अभी थोड़ा सा सम करता हूँ ये fourth one which is from your sheet. Monday we'll do revision again for Tuesday's test. When is your physics test? On 13th, na?
Yes, sir. And on 12th it is maths.
12th you have math. So Sunday I will take lecture, extra lecture.
Okay, sir.
What will be the effect on kinetic energy if first velocity of an object is doubled, second mass of an object is doubled. What is 2 square?
4.
4, okay. So that means something is in the form of square. When I double, it becomes 4 times. Na?
Yes.
So can I say kinetic energy is half mv square?
Yes, sir.
So when velocity is double, what is square of double 4 times? 2 ka square is what?
4.
4. So when v becomes 2v, when you square it will become 4v square or not?
4v square.
So can you say when velocity is double, kinetic energy will become how much? 4 times.
4 times. So means half m 4v square.
Half m 4v square. They are
So
not
you only said enough 4v square it will be. So that's it.
kinetic energy will become how much they are telling. They are not asking formula. They are asking how much it will become. So if I double the velocity, kinetic energy will become how much time? 4 times. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Answer followed. Why?
Yes.
Suppose it is made 3 times, then
3.
9 times. 3 square is 9.
3 times 9.
Okay. Wait. Otherwise, wait 1 minute. First velocity is v. Second velocity is double. I want kinetic energy will become how much? Can I say first kinetic upon second kinetic, half mass will get cancelled or not when I take ratio?
Yes.
So it will be V1 upon V2,
V2.
the whole square.
Yes.
Not followed, I think.
No, sir. Understood.
Half mv square, half mv square. Mass is same.
Half cut.
V1, V2. Half m cancel or not?
Yes.
So can I say first kinetic upon second kinetic is first V1 is V, V2 is double. Square it. So what you will get? First Ke upon second will be 1 by 4 or not?
Yes.
So KE2 will become 4 times KE1 or
4
not?
times K1.
So how much our kinetic energy will become? 4 times if
4
velocity
times.
is double. First question followed.
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो पक्का आने वाला ही है. Copy answer properly. So whenever velocity is doubled, then kinetic energy will become square of double. Square of double means 4 times. Triple then 9 times. 4 times then 16 times.
Sir.
Hello?
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you're there. You stopped in between.
No, I'm here only. Where I will go? It's total lockdown, social distancing.
The answer should be this only, na? What? the thing you have-
Answer will be kinetic energy will become 4 times. You can write directly also. I explained you. You can directly write. When velocity becomes double, kinetic energy becomes 4 times. Now second case. Again, kinetic energy formula is half mv square. So kinetic energy of first upon kinetic energy of second. Mass is different this time. So half v square, half square cancel. Can I write only m1, m2? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can I write like this?
Yes, because half of is cut, then only M1 upon M2 is remaining.
Why
Yes.
we have cut?
Because they both are same V2 upon V2.
Because only mass is changing, rest all are same.
Yes.
How much
Rest
is
all
the
things are same.
mass? First wala m, then second wala double na?
Yes.
So can't I say that kinetic energy will become double? Shreyas? Yes, Ashmi,
Yes.
Shreyas followed there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever velocity they ask, you
Yes,
square
sir.
it. When mass they ask, just direct. Double, triple, triple, 4, 4. Velocity then double ka square 4, triple ka square 9, and so on.
So means mass of an object will be double, then
Kinetic energy will be doubled
okay.
because power is 1. But velocity
Sir.
doubled, then power is 2. It will become 4.
You have to increase the speed also for that if you want to move it. K also will increase.
What also? What you are saying? Sudhanshu, what you are saying?
I said that you said about power also will increase. So that only I said yes. Then kinetic energy will also increase.
Which power you are talking about?
You only said not this power.
I said so many things, but what you interpret, I should understand. I am talking about this power.
Okay.
There is one physics ka bhi power. I am talking about this power right now.
Okay, sir.
So when this power is 2, that means square. So double will become 4, triple will become 9, and so on. Have you completed this one? Kinetic energy becomes double.
No, sir. Just a minute. Done, sir.
Next question is, where does the energy to run a car come from? Energy to run a car comes from where?
From that fuel.
From fuel, na?
Yes.
So what you will say, energy for car? Which energy is getting transferred into which energy? Chemical energy is
Chemical
getting
energy
converted
to uh,
to mechanical energy.
mechanical energy. Okay.
Chemical to mechanical. And to start and stop the car, we require current. That time electrical energy, chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay.
Okay.
In our electric iron, which energy is which energy? Electric
Electrical
energy
energy
into
into heat
heat energy.
energy.
In washing machine, electrical energy into
Electrical
mechanical
into
energy
mechanical.
because it is moving.
Yes.
60-watt bulb is switched on for 30 minutes. 60-watt bulb. One last question. First, 60-watt bulb is switched on for 30 minutes. Second is 30-watt bulb is switched on for 60 minutes. Will the energy in both cases be same or different?
Same.
Energy means this is called power. Your teacher has taught this. Power is in what?
Yes.
So power into time is called energy. Next lecture again I will explain this.
Yes.
What is 60 into 30? 1800.
800.
What is 30 into 60? Same 1800.
1800.
So your answer will be, since power into time is same in both case, therefore energy is same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today I stop here. Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday you will have lecture. Monday also. Monday is exam, na? When is your physics math?
Yeah, my physics is on Tuesday and on Monday it is maths.
Acha. So your lecture will be Thursday, Saturday, Sunday for maths.
Okay.
That's all for today. Please revise whatever we did, memorize it so that you get full mark. Okay.
Sir, what did you say? Power is equal to distance into power is equal to, you had said the dash into time. I didn't understand.
You didn't hear carefully. I said energy is power into time. Power I did
Okay.
revealed only. I said energy is power into time. Because power is work upon time. Work is
Okay, sir.
energy. Okay, that's all for today. We'll discuss this on Monday again. That's all for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Why,
Bye.
sir?
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye. 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 Yes, bye, Sudhanshu. Next students are pending. Waiting on their own queue. Bye.